So the mud set bead that Trim-Tex came out with, I'm fairly new at it. I had already started working at the school when it came out. One of the great advantages of it is as soon as it's applied, you can put a first coat or a top coat on it, and that saves a ton of time from having to wait till it dries and then come back and coat it afterwards. It's either applied by hand with a pan and knife or through a hopper, then you push it into the outside corner and roll the excess mud out of the back and wipe it down off of the edges. Because you can see everything that's excess in back of it. The perforated holes make it a huge advantage to do that. They've demonstrated the durability of the product to repair any damages done to that corner. Most times it's just a matter of peeling cracked compound and refilling, and you're done. So the mud set bead would use less compound and save more time and material when applied on the outside corners. I'm sorry, I lost my voice at the Bears game and I'm trying to push without sounding like I'm screaming.